So I'm going no makeup today, because who cares? I'm getting into this kind of like Gothic phase, and I just cut my bangs a little shorter. They've already gotten a bit longer. So today I just added a bit of these long strings and like a high ponytail. Should eliminate this. So I've got like proper Gothic vibes going on, which I kind of love. So I will add maybe just like a little bit of mascara. I'm really not in a makeup look today. I just love looking how I feel. Isn't that just perfect? Maybe like a little bit of mascara though. So the wax I'm currently using is from bedhead TIGI. I'm put it in the description, but I mean, so there's a top, there's a cap that goes onto it. You just put it out, it goes on your fingers, and it gives your hair this kind of texture that looks and stays a little bit like wet, like a little bit, but not too much over the top, and it's still fixated. So it doesn't give like that super dry matte look, but it does still have some like, you know, a bit of texture that looks a bit more liquid, let's say. Anyway, I like it for my bangs, and I mean, I feel like I can use this for a fucking long time, so pretty sustainable. Anyway, the decision is that we love it. Okay, we love it. So I put in some hoops as well, small ones, maybe to counterbalance a little bit, but not too much. We're in pain, but we're still feminine. We're still beautiful. Apparently we do not need any makeup today, except for maybe a little bit of mascara. Well, I mean, would you mind? I am gonna do it in a mirror though, but I'll be right back to show you. So I just finished the bottom layer, which already looks pretty cool, and I did like a little bit of the sides, but I do think I'm gonna finish the top. I'm ready with the eyes, guys. If you look at me superficially, you might be like, Hey, that's a girl. But if you look a little closer, you see a little bit of pain. And a lot of love in the eyes, right? So this is a finished look. I think I wasn't typing before, but you can see I have done my eyes. So this is the finished look. I think I wasn't taping before, but basically I've just done, I think I wasn't, so this is the finished look. So this is the, so, I just took, okay, get it. I've done my eyes with a bit more mascara on them than I initially thought to put on, but it kind of fits. So I combine that with a little bit of nude lipstick from a MAC. This one is, it's called Spirit Satin Lipstick with number 822 on it. If it's not animal friendly, I would of course advise not to buy it. Yeah, and this is the finished look. I put on my lipstick before on camera, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't filming, but that's the only other thing I've done. And I put a little bobby pin in the, that was happening here. So, alright, and I think I would wear like a black top on this, maybe not as revealing as this one, and maybe a light jeans, just not to make it like too heavy. But yeah, that's it. I think I'm kind of entering my Gothic era. It suits, you know. Wish me luck. I wish you luck. I've actually never found a mascara that I stick to. I always buy a new one because I'm not like 100% satisfied with it, or if I am satisfied with a mascara, I just forgot which one it was. So if you have any tips on a good mascara or a good nude-like lipstick, comment it below. And I hope you have a great day. If you're not feeling well, hopefully things will get better, or you'll find a few minutes of peace and time for yourself, or just a little bit of time to do something you love, such as, don't get too cheesy, Lisa, okay. By the way, if you like the sweater in the back there, it's for sale. Also, on the other side is a vintage diesel jacket that is quite rare from, I don't know, 1988, 89, from 1990, 91, 92. That was made in Italy, and it's in perfect condition, like it's never been worn. It's on my website for €90. It's slightly baggy. So if you're interested, go get it at freshvintage.eu, where you can find a bunch of washed and clean vintage clothing from the 80s and 90s. And that, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.